going from a bad partial or teeth that were loose or hurt, to where they couldn't eat certain materials or foods. Now you put them in a denture and it's an instant change for them, whereas before they still had their natural teeth, but they're always in pain. So just that change alone, even though it is a denture, they're happy. We've already changed their life.
A denture is a removable replacement for missing teeth and surrounding tissues. Complete dentures are used when all the teeth are missing, while partial dentures are used when some natural teeth remain.
I'm wearing a full denture and it actually feels very good. I'm happy with it. I have teeth in my mouth. I still work, so I can go to work with some teeth in my mouth. It makes me feel much more confident to smile, and feel good about myself.
Many patients believe that maintenance isn't needed on dentures. However, they require regular cleaning and maintenance along with an annual visit to the dentist to make sure the dentures are sitting properly and that there are no signs of infection or disease in the mouth. You have options. Let's work out what's best for you. Call us today for a consultation on dentures or click on our new patient offer below. We look forward to seeing you soon.